Welcome to Rockwood Tree Services. Our utility services are aimed at hydro companies who need inspections and tree maintenance surrounding hydro lines and poles. Our primary goal is to quickly and accurately inspect for potentially hazardous tree limbs that could fall onto hydro lines and cause serious problems. Using a bucket truck, the operator can maneuver close to the hydro line to inspect the area. Once a problem limb or branch is identified, the operator uses specialty equipment to safely remove sections of tree without damaging the hydro lines. We also offer chipping services so that no tree debris is left behind. Our team members are highly skilled and will work to ensure that we get the tree removed safely and efficiently. If you're interested in our utility inspection services, please give us a call and ask for a free quote.